Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you a very super easy recipe that is done in the Instapot. It is quinoa with vegetables. So let's go over all of the ingredients. I've got them all set out right here ready to go. I'm just going to show you everything that you're going to need and let's get going. Alright guys, for this recipe you're going to need quinoa. I've already got this washed and just hanging out in here in the bowl. And you're going to need vegetables. Now you can use any type of vegetable that you want. Today I've got bell pepper, carrots, onion, a little bit of green onion, celery, squash, and zucchini. You're going to need garlic, lemon juice, some pecans. You're going to need salt, pepper, parsley, and cardamom. And you're going to need a little bit of chicken broth. Alright guys, I've just got a little bit of olive oil here. You're just going to put in just a little bit and kind of brush this around your pan so nothing sticks. If you've got the spray oil, you can go ahead and spray that around the pan. So just give that a little mix. Go ahead and add in your quinoa. All of your vegetables. Your garlic, your pecans, spices, lemon juice, and your chicken broth. Just go ahead and give this a mix. Make sure everything is well combined. Go ahead and attach your lid. Set it to seal. Come in here, hit the manual button, set it for 1 minute, and then you're just going to let this cook for the 1 minute. Then you're going to let it natural release for 10 to 15 minutes, and then I'll meet you right back here when it's done. Alright guys, that's going to be it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.